Alright, so today I'm at Jonathan's and we're gonna replace the eccentric bolts on rough red here because they're shit and I need an alignment really badly. Okay.
There's mops.
I see that.
Dad.
Daddy! So let's get this POS jacked up. So, step one after you get your shit jacked up. Locate your eccentric bolts, and on the rear, you have one right there, and the second one right behind it. And I would recommend hitting them with some PB Blast, because they look like they're rusted into place. That one, that's a 17, and the one behind it is another nut on the backside. That's a 17 as well, so you're gonna need a wrench and a socket or 2 wrenches or whatever. So I got the breaker bar on this side and I got a 17 mil wrench on the other side wedged in. It's on the nut there, and then I clipped it on this control arm to keep it in place while I twist this. And this is for the lower control arm on the rear. Make sure you remember righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, because I decided to ignore that fact. And yeah, I snapped the fucking bolt. But I mean, hey, it worked, as John said earlier. That was pretty bad. I almost shit myself when that happened. Alright, so once you get that nut on this side off, stick a handy dander hammer or sledgehammer. Just beat it until it slips out. Alright, and then you can take your 17 mil, squeeze it in there like a fork, just pry it out. There we go. God damn it. And now I have no more eardrums. Once you get one eccentric bolt out, because there's 2, once you get one of them out, what I recommend is don't take both out at the same time, because that's the only thing holding up your lower control arm, and the back half of it will just fall down, or the shock might hold it up. But I recommend just taking one off, and once you take one off, slip the new one in so it keeps it held up before you take off the other one. So when you're front, there's one eccentric bolt, there's the other, and it's the same process as in the rear. No, but seriously, like, my front alignment is fine because they're adjusted by the tie rods. These only really control like camber and I think caster.